ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸಾವಿತ್ರಮ್ಮ. ಕಾಲು ನೋವಿಂದ ಒದ್ದಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಮೆಡ್ಪಿನ್ನವರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ನಡೆಯೋಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದಿನ ತಲೆ ಸುತ್ತು ಬಿದ್ದೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಕೈ ಮೂಳೆ ಮುರಿದು ತುಂಬ ನೋವಾಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಕಾಲು ಮೂಳೆ ಎರಡೂ ಸೌದೋಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬೀಳ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೆ. ಮೆಡ್ಪಿನ್ನವರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿ.
I am Shrikant, basically from Bangalore. She is my mother, Savithramma. She is fall down from bed and her right hand got fracture. Okay. Later on, we visited the hospital. Doctor told fracture surgery should be done. We and cost also high, around 1,80,000. We got completely worried. Later on, we came through the came through doctor and we come to know regarding Medfin, and cost is reduced. Later on, surgery is done, and Medfin coordinators like Ahmad done very well actually, and we go on and I have corporate insurance, so all the formalities taken through by Medfin only, and procedures are nice from Medfin. They have done really well actually. Medfin helped me with, in clear all the insurance formalities and helped me to clear all the non-medical expenses and help me to waive off all the non-medical expenses. You know, right, in insurance we will not cover all the things, but Medfin helped me to cover most of the things in terms of expenditures. And in most nice thing in Medfin, all the Medfin representative coordinators are very helpful and friendly, and help me to clear all the insurance formalities and help me to reduce the cost as well. Yeah, my mother got right hand wrist fracture surgery. On that time, from Medfin, Ahmad booked the cab. We reached the hospital. Once we reached the hospital, Ahmad took the insurance formalities and upgraded to twin sharing ward to single sharing ward from Medfin, and later on we admitted to the hospital. After the surgery, Preetham came to the hospital for the discharge, to clear discharge formalities. Later on, he helped me to clear the bill through Medfin, and we successfully completed the wrist fracture surgery. And within 2 to 3 weeks, my mother recovered from the surgery. And even Ahmad and Preetham was very helpful and very friendly with the patient and with me as well, from nice persons, and great thanks to Medfin.
My mother had a knee problem, but we are worried about the cost that the doctor had explained in the hospital.
Later on, we connected with the Medfin. From Medfin, Medfin representative Rajesh booked the cab, and we reached the hospital. He assisted to clear insurance admission formalities. Later on, after next day, knee replacement surgery done. At the time of discharge, Preetham came to the hospital, and he helped to clear discharge formalities and clear the bills. After 4th surgery of knee replacement and this one wrist fracture surgery, consultation gone through Medfin only. It will help me to reduce the consultation cost compared to hospital cost.
Medfin, they helped from booking the cab to going to the hospital, and they waive off the non-expenses which comes under insurance. They helped a very lot of thing.
one good thing in Medfin, they are taking care of the patients pick up and drop, and another thing I want to tell actually. Wait. And taking the patient updates on a regular basis, how is the patient, and they will help to clear all the formalities with lot of interest. I will recommend Medfin for my friends and colleagues and relatives. It will reduce the cost of the surgeries for the people and more helpful for, and it will reduce the financial burden for the society and the people as well. I will strongly recommend Medfin. I recommended Medfin for my friend also. She feel also find very useful and nice with Medfin, and financial burden also reduced. Because surgery is costing around 1,50,000. With the help of Medfin, they have done the surgery 90,000 only. She told, I am very happy with Medfin.